Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. I just want to show you how to change your passcode in Instagram. First thing you want to do is, if you look at the bottom right of your screen, you see your profile picture. You click on it, and that brings you to your home screen. And you look at the top right where the three lines are. You hit the three lines at the top right, and you're going to see at the top it says settings and privacy. You hit that, and then you see at the top it says account center. You hit that, and it's going to bring you to password and security, the second choice on the account settings here. Password and security, you hit that, and you see where it says change password. You click that and you can change your password. And that's it. Subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.